Good morning, dear student. Welcome to the fifth sem of BSc in Zoology. Today we are going to introduce the syllabus of Zoology. In Zoology, we will study two papers, Paper 1 and Paper 2. Paper 1 is of Applied Zoology and Paper 2 is Aquatic Biology. In Paper 1, we will study 4 units and each unit is along with their subtopics. Unit number 1 contains 4 subtopics. Topic 1 is type of fisheries in brief, freshwater, brackish water and marine water. Second topic is pre and post stocking management, fertilization, carrying capacity, artificial feeding. Third topic is mono and polyculture, fish preservation. And fourth is fish diseases, bacterial, fungal, protozoan and arthropods. In the second unit, we will study about the life history and pathogenicity of Ancylostoma duodenale and Vauchereria bancropti. Second topic is of biology, control and damage caused by Helicobacter parmigera, Pyrrhilla perpuciella and Papiliodemoleus Calosobruchinensis, Cytophilus oryzae and Tribolium castineum. In the third topic, medical importance and control of Pediculus humanoscarporis, Anopheles culex, Aedes, Xenophycilla chiopis. And fourth topic is of economic importance of agricultural pest. So in the third unit, we will study about the classification of fowls based on their use, broilers and commercial layers. Second topic is of principle of poultry breeding, management of breeding, stock and broiler processing and preservation of egg. In the third topic, we will study about the poultry diseases, viral, bacterial, fungal, protozoan and preventions. In the fourth topic, management of modern poultry farm, progressive plant to promote the poultry as self-employment venture. In the fourth unit, we will study about the introduction of dairy farm and its management. Second topic is preservation of semen and artificial insemination in cattle. Third topic is induction of early puberty and synchronization of estrus in cattle. Cattle diseases like bacterial, viral, fungal, protozoan and preventions. And fourth topic is management of modern dairy farm, progressive plans to promote the dairy farming as a self-employment venture. So this is all about the paper first, that is Applied Zoology. Now we will see the syllabus of the second paper, that is Aquatic Biology. In the Aquatic Biology, there are also 4 units. Unit number 1 contains the brief introduction of aquatic biomes. Second topic is freshwater ecosystem like lake, stream and river. Third is estuaries, interdial zones. And fourth is oceanic pelagic zone and benthic zone. Second unit is contains 4 subtopic. Number 1 is lake, origin and classification, ecosystem and morphology. Second is the physicochemical characteristics, light, temperature, turbidity, dissolved solid, carbonate, bicarbonate, phosphate and nitrate, dissolved gases like oxygen, free carbon dioxide. In the third topic, we will study the nutrient cycle in the lake, nitrogen, sulfur and phosphorus. In the fourth topic, we will study the zooplanktons, rotifers, Cladocera, Cupipoda, Ostracoda. In the third unit, there are also four subtopics. Topic number 1 contains the marine ecosystem, salinity, density of sea water, continental shelf. Second topic is adaptation of deep sea organism. Third topic is coral reef, seaweed. Fourth topic is nutrient cycle in sea, ocean, nitrogen, sulfur and phosphorus. Now in the fourth unit we will study four subtopics. Topic number 1 is aquatic pollution, causes of pollution, agriculture, industrial sewage, thermal and oil spills. Second topic is eutrophication, management and conservation. Third topic is Water Pollution Act of India. Fourth is sewage treatment and water quality assessment, BOD and COD. So this is all about the introduction of the syllabus of 5th SEM in zoology. Thank you.